This is Kitty Pinata. Oh, it's so much fun. There's Anna.
John never gives up searching for answers.
We kept trying to find things on the internet for this.
Oh, there's Elsa's leaving the room.
Eventually, his research leads him to the
There's the
UCLA
old
Medical
Kitty
Center
Pinata that
and
got
Dr.
yanked off the
Quentin
cord.
Miller, a specialist in ear and skull conditions.
Can you get it? Get it, sweetie. Get it. Get it. This one's a little acrobat when she gets going.
So she had seen a number of doctors
Jump.
before she saw me, and
Jump.
that's
Yay.
not terribly uncommon, especially in
Jump.
a usual diagnosis like this.
Jump.
And I looked at my husband
Jump.
thinking, oh, another doctor. He's not going to know anything.
Oh, she's such a smart kitty. Where'd your sissy go? She don't like this light. That's why she left.
Been through that for 5 or 6 months.
She doesn't like the video light.
Because you're not getting better, ultimately depression is sort of inevitable. You have your scan.
Whee!
Dr. Gopin takes an initial look at Carrie's head scans.
I need somebody else to come film so I can play, because I can't do both at the same time. Jump, sweetie, jump.
He sees something
Jump.
that every other doctor had
Jump.
There it is.
Oh, here she comes. Star of the show. She comes in like a wrecking ball, for sure. She knocks this one right out of the way.
What he sees is an almost invisible clue deep inside her ear.
Yeah. Oh, you can't run away with it.
Fluid-filled chamber in bone. In her case,
You gotta let go so it can play somewhere.
allows that
Elsa.
to become
Elsa. Elsa.
Are you sure?
It's easy to miss unless you know what you're looking for. Here, I'll show you.
The opening is about the size of a pen tip, unless you're really looking for this tiny little...
Oh, she's got it. She got it.
The Caspian looks perfectly...
She's the winner. She's not gonna let go.
That's not supposed to be that stimulates the balance system.
Ooh, you got evil eyes in the video.
Makes the sounds...
Whee! Whee! Oh, there goes Anna.